Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to import music from a video in your gallery to the CapCut projects. So if you need to extract a music from a certain video that you want to add to your project, here's how to do it. First, you need to go to audio menu at the bottom, and then here click on the extracted option and select the video that you want to extract its sound. So for example, I want to extract the sound from this videos right here. So just click on the video and click on the import sound only option at the bottom. Okay, so just like that, the music will be imported, and here you can adjust the music if you want. For example, you want to trim it, you can just go to where you want to trim and click on split and delete the rest of them. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.